Hey, Pam Didner here. Are you looking to supercharge your sales team with account-based marketing, ABM? Or maybe you are using ABM but not quite seeing the results you had hoped for? Well, I'm about to share some insider's tips and tricks that no one would tell you, so you can hit the ground running and fully prepare before diving into ABM. Before I start, don't forget to hit that like button if you find the video helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. All right, let's get started with the ABCs of ABM. First of all, what exactly is ABM, account-based marketing? It's a strategic approach where marketing and sales collaborate to focus on key accounts and promote significant revenue opportunities. In simple terms, it's when marketing leverages existing channels to create highly personalized outreach and buyer experiences that complement sales effort, targeting specific accounts. So how is ABM different from traditional lead-based or inbound marketing? Traditional methods aim to cast a wider net and generate as many leads as possible. ABM, on the other hand, is all about being laser-focused and targeting specific accounts. And the steps are very straightforward. Number one, identify accounts. Number two, get buy-in from sales with these accounts. Number three, agree on IBM campaign ideas. Number four, implement those ideas. Number five, track the actual results. How difficult is that? Sounds very easy, right? If it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, here are some vital tips and tricks you must know to make your ABM successful. Number one, quality of account data. So 3 questions you must answer or discuss with your sales team. What account should we focus on? Why do we need to focus on these accounts now? Do we have clean data and the accurate email addresses for these accounts? Collectively, sales and marketing needs to identify ABM objectives and the key accounts we're targeting with a personalized campaign. And by the way, it's marketing's job to double-check job titles, email addresses, even correct first and last name. That's our job. You or someone on your team needs to double-check the accuracy of customer data. This step is crucial and tends to be overlooked by marketers. So my question to you is, how confident are you about the customer data before you run ABM? Without clean data, your personalization effort will be wasted. Just bear that in mind. Number 2, buy-in from sales on accounts and the success metrics. If you are targeting just 50 strategic accounts, show the customer list to your sales team. It's easy to go through that. Have them review the list. If you are targeting 500 accounts or 1,000 accounts, they don't have time to go through the names. Try to explain the selection criteria of these accounts and the job titles that you will include. Always tell them what's in it for them when you work with them. Be clear about the expected outcome, like getting 30 people interested in talking to sales. What is the clear outcome or the benefit they're going to get? Number 3, back-end integration and fulfillment. Depending on the type of campaigns you are running, say customize emails with personalized gifts. Ensure you set up robust fulfillment processes to achieve that level of personalization. For example, a bottle of wine with the recipient's name on it require meticulous planning and execution. You don't want to get the name wrong. If you are running targeted pay ads, it's crucial to ensure that your creative and copywriting are personalized for different job titles, industries, regions, or maybe even the keywords they search. For any campaigns you undertake, focus on back-end integration. Test it multiple times to ensure everything functions seamlessly. Many marketers excel at brainstorming creative ABM ideas like invitation-only VIP events, personalized giftings, coordinating happy hours or lunches for product demos, or even renting a billboard right outside a prospect's office to show how much you want to work with them. I don't think creative ideas are holding marketers back. From my experience with ABM campaigns, it's the quality of data, buy-in from sales, account determination, and a back-end integration that often don't get that much of attention they deserve. So focus on these areas. You will be well on your way to ABM success. So that's it, folks. Those are some crucial steps and tricks to make your ABM initiatives successful. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Take care. See you soon. Bye.